Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to change location on your iPhone, and this can be also done on an iPad as well, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up the App Store app. And once you open up your App Store app, you're going to go ahead and click on your profile up top here. And from your profile, you're going to click on your Apple ID, which will open up this menu, or it will just ask for your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go enter my Apple ID password. Now, once you enter your Apple ID password, simply click on sign in. And we're going to be brought to a new menu, which allow us to change our location where it says country and region. And I can click on it. And from there on, it will give me another option to change country or region, which I can select. And then I can go ahead and select another location that I'd like to change it to. So you can go ahead and pick one, right, just like that. And it'll say you need to agree to terms. And from there on, you can go ahead and change the location from here. And changing all that, you can select none here, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you change your location on your iPhone. Now, another way to change your location, you might be thinking if it's your current location that you're trying to send someone or get an app to read, what you'll need to do is use a VPN, which we explain in another video that you want to check that out on how to change your current location using a VPN. But that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys the next time.